got met with some rain today. How about a rainy poem? This is The Rainy Day by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. The day is cold and dark and dreary. It rains and the wind is never weary. The vine still clings to the moldering wall, but at every gust, the dead leaves fall. And the day is dark and dreary. My life is cold and dark and dreary. It rains and the wind is never weary. My thoughts still cling to the moldering past, but the hopes of youth fall thick in the blast, and the days are dark and dreary. Be still, sad heart, and cease repining. Behind the clouds is the sun still shining. Thy fate is the common fate of all. Into each life, some rain must fall. Some days must be dark and dreary. As a child, I would meet the rain with rain, rain, go away, come again some other day. And as I get older, I start to hear the elders in my life who were around me when I was growing up saying, the flowers needed that rain. How different would life be if we applied this same sentiment to our lives? Yes, you are going through a sad moment or a sad day or a sad season. What happens if we accept that it is just to help our flowers bloom that much more beautiful? And as the poem brings up, the sun is right on the other side of the clouds, meaning this season isn't forever. This sad day isn't forever. This sad moment isn't forever. God is amazing. And I hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great week. Hope you have a great year.